Miss Gideon here. I'm going to help you with subtracting rational numbers here. So I've got that first example you sent me, or one of my students sent me if you're watching this video. And remember when we're subtracting the two integers, we change the subtraction to addition and the sign that follows. So now we have a negative 123 and 45 hundredths plus a 234. It's a positive. I don't need the sign again. 234 and 76 hundredths. So that's the first step. That's first, changing the sign. Second, I line up my decimals, making the absolute value of the larger number. So if I ignore the signs a second, I can see that 234 is larger than the 123. So I'm going to write these, and I'm going to make sure I line up the decimals. Let me get rid of that for a second. Now remember, if you are adding opposite signs, I've got a negative and a positive, you have to subtract. If you're adding opposite signs, you're going opposite ways, and the number line, you're subtracting. So you're going to subtract this number. So let's do that. 6 take away 5 is 1. 7 take away 4 is 3. You bring your decimal point straight down. 4 take away 3 is 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So now I've got 111 and 31 hundredths. I look back to my sign that I had. I look back to the signs, and I take the sign of the larger number. Well, the number, and that was the number that we put on top, and that's positive. So 111/31 is going to remain positive. The second example you sent is going to be the same thing. Remember, I changed the subtraction to addition, and I changed the sign that follows. So if it's a negative, it becomes a positive here. If it's a positive, it becomes a negative there. So now I have negative 6 plus a positive 8. When looking to solve this, I've got opposite signs here. So I subtract. So I'm going to put the larger number up top, the absolute value of the larger number up top. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 is my answer. I go back, and 8 is on top here. It's the larger number. It's positive 8. So my answer is going to be a positive 2. And I really don't need that plus sign there. So my answer is 2. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye-bye.